Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning food catering layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So let's take a look at the food catering layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. There are high quality images included, which you can use without any restrictions. And let's just take a look at the other layouts that are included as well, such as the landing page. And I will show you what this layout looks like on different screen sizes as well. So this is what you can expect on desktop. So it's a very clean layout, as you can see. It has a nice combination of Divi's built-in options. And let me just enable the visual builder so we can take a look at the result on different screen sizes. So I'll just enable the visual builder at the top over here. And if I click on this icon located at the bottom of my page, I will be able to switch over to tablet mode or phone mode, and I'll just do that really quick. So this is what you can expect from the layout pack on tablet. And this is what it looks like on phone. So this looks equally as good on the smaller screen sizes as it does on desktop. And if you want to use these layouts, you can add these using your WordPress website in the Divi Builder, the visual builder, or you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And if you do that, you will see all of the free layout packs. And if you scroll down, you'll come across the food catering layout pack, which is the most recent layout pack that came out. And over here you will see all of the layouts that are included. And if you click on the blue view live demo button, it will redirect you to a live website where you can explore all of these layouts live on a website, and you can determine whether you want to use one of these layouts on your website, and afterwards go back to your WordPress website. So if you want to use the landing page, for instance, you can just go back to your WordPress dashboard and go to pages, add new, give your page a proper title, publish your page, enable the Divi Builder, and switch over to Visual Builder right away. And over here, we'll have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to choose a pre-made layout by clicking on this purple button over here, and this will redirect us to the pre-made layouts. So this is the same layout that you were able to see on the elegantthemes.com/layouts section of the website. So if you scroll down over here, again, you will find the food catering layout pack, and over here you can view the live demo again, or you can simply use a layout by clicking on the green button that says use this layout, and this will take little to no time for it to upload, so it will ask you for an authentication first. And once you've uploaded the layout, your page will entirely change, as you can see over here. And you can get started. So you can make all kinds of modifications to this layout pack. You can use the find and replace feature, or you can use the modified styles filter to make quick changes across your entire page. So for instance, let me just show you what I mean exactly. So if you want to change a font that's being used, so for instance this title font, you can do that really quickly by just opening the module settings over here, going to the design tab, opening the title text settings. Over here you can see the title font, and without changing anything, just right click over here and click on the find and replace option, and over here you can see the font that's being used, and you can replace that with a font of your choice. So let me just do that really quick. I'm just going to choose a random font. I want to replace this title font on my entire page. So you can choose other options as well, but I'll just do it on my entire page. And if I click on the blue button over here, everything will be changed in just a matter of time. As you can see, all of the titles have been changed, and you can do this for each one of the elements on your website, on your page, so you can get things done really quickly and get your website up and running in no time. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.